This is my pet chicken. He's so big. Now, remember the green one I made? This is him. Look at his beak. His beak is so dirty.
Yeah.
Why is his mouth so open? It's not even hot.
Hinihingal yan, anak.
What? Yeah, you're right. Outside. What are they doing? He almost find my shorts.
Yeah. She wants to pay. Oh.
You going back in his cage?
Ay, Diyos ko! Kumain na naman si Ken!
Daddy's gonna be mad again. Look at his pwet. So,
Yeah.
he is eating bird poop. You know that?
No, it's not a bird poop. This is a food.
I'm just kidding. He knows if it's bird poop, right?
Yeah. Kumain naman siya.
Yeah, tae. That's diarrhea. Big diarrhea. Ew, not again. Ew, why is it with that? It's a mop.
Go inside na, puro ka pupo.
No. Let him stay out. Let him stay inside muna. Oy!
Oh, you open, Daddy.
Ew!
Open. Dali, open.
Okay, fine.
Ayan, dali, oh. I-open. Ano mo? Basta pa.
Ew!
Dumi yan, ha?
That's even worse than my diarrhea. Wait, no, my oil. What happened to his ugh?
Dali si Ken, anak. Ano yung feather niyan? Allergy yan.
He's out of his cage right now and I'm gonna record it. Uy!
Nasa ka, anak. Mahina.
Okay, fine. That's the maximum.
Maximum ba yan?
Yeah, maximum.
Sino? Ikaw?
Yeah?
Lema mo yan?
Yeah, that's lemma. See the green?
Oo nga.
I wonder why I vomit now. Oh, you made me wet. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Ayaw na?
What?
Ayaw na na?
Yeah. Wait, how did it turn off by its own?
Dali lang.
Maybe? Come here, come here, come here. Wait, he didn't even sit there.
What?
I think he's going back in his cage. Look at the one on his feet. Why is it black?
Kaya nga.
Is it sunog?
Kaya nga anak eh.
Black in his cage. Goodbye, guys.